In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who accepted your meeting invites in Outlook. This is perfect when you need to confirm attendance, plan room sizes, or decide whether a reschedule makes sense. We'll use Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft. Depending on your account, you might be redirected to your organization's sign-in page. Just log in as you normally do. Once you're in your mailbox, we'll move over to your calendar to find the meeting. Look along the left sidebar for the calendar icon and click it. If the sidebar is minimized, hover or expand it so you can see the calendar option clearly. This switches you from mail to calendar. Choose the view you prefer, month, week, or day, whichever makes it easiest to spot the meeting you want to check. Now, locate the specific meeting or event you organized and want to review. Double-click that meeting to open its full details so you can see the attendee information. When the event opens, look to the right side of the window. You should see the attendee list along with each person's response status. Outlook shows who has accepted, who's marked as tentative, who declined, and who hasn't responded yet. Sometimes you'll see status icons, like a check for accepted or an X for declined. And you may also notice a small count summarizing responses. If you don't immediately see this, try widening the window, scrolling down the details pane, or expanding any sections labeled People or Attendees. It can take a moment for responses to update, so if someone replied very recently, refresh the page and check again. You might also see Organizer next to your own name, which confirms you're viewing the event you created. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Only the organizer can see everyone's response status, so make sure you're opening the meeting you sent. For recurring meetings, you can open just this occurrence or the entire series. Responses reflect the instance you're viewing. If a guest forwarded your invite, additional attendees may appear in the list, and their responses will show the same way. That's it. By opening your calendar, double-clicking the meeting, and checking the right-hand attendee panel, you'll always know who accepted your invite in Outlook. Pause and replay any section if you'd like to follow along step by step, and you'll get comfortable with this workflow in no time.